Hello 7th grade students, how are you? I hope you are in the best condition right now. Today we will continue our learning section on the topic of solar system, and especially through the video we will learn about the characteristic of planet and the other celestial object. Our solar system is home to Earth and 7 other planets. Each planet rotates on its own axis while revolving around the Sun. Every planet has a unique characteristic and qualities that set it apart from the rest. The Sun keeps this complex arrangement in order. This unit reveals detailed facts about our Sun and the planets. It also addresses other components of our solar system, including dwarf planets, moon, asteroids, and comets. The solar system. The solar system is the gravitational bound system comprising the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. There are two types of planets in the solar system, the inner planet and the outer planet. The four smaller inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the four outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now we are going to learn about the characteristic for each planet. Planet number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is a little bigger than Earth's moon. Mercury doesn't have any moons or rings. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. A year on Mercury takes 88 Earth days. Mercury has a diameter of 4.879 km, making it the smallest planet. Number 2 is Venus. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the sky. Venus is sometimes referred to as the morning star and evening star. Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to other planets. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius or 863 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Venus called as the evening star. Number 3 is the Earth. The Earth rotation is gradually slowing. There is only one natural satellite of the planet of the Earth, that is Moon. The Earth was once believed to be the center of the universe. A year on Earth lasts just over 365 days. The rotation of the Earth is gradually slowing down. Number 4 is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the last of the terrestrial planet. The tallest mountain known in the solar system is on Mars. That is Olympus Mountain. Mars doesn't have a magnetic field. The two moons of Mars is Phobos and Deimos. It takes Mars 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. The other planet common characteristic. Number 1. Are all the other planets means they all lie beyond the asteroid belt. Number 2. Having a large system of moons, having a lot of moons. Number 3. Each having a ring system. Number 4. Lack of a surface, have gaseous surfaces at least when compared to terrestrial planets. Number 5 are gas giants, contain mostly gases. Number 6 is huge compared to the terrestrial. The fourth planet from the Sun is Jupiter. The main characteristic of Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system. The red spot, the diameter of Jupiter is 86.881 miles. The orbit is 11.9 Earth years. The day is 9.8 Earth hours. The moon is 15 known and 17 more awaiting confirmation. Distance from the Sun is over 700 million kilometers. Jupiter's red spot. The great red spot is a giant spinning storm in Jupiter's atmosphere. It is like a hurricane on Earth, but it is much larger. Nobody knows when the great red spot first appeared on the Jupiter, but it has been seen on the Jupiter ever since people started looking through the telescope about 400 years ago. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. The characteristic of Saturn is the giant rings. The diameter of Saturn is 74,900 miles. The orbit is 29.5 Earth years. The day is 7 Earth hours. Moons 33 known and 9 more awaiting confirmation. The distance from the Sun is 1 billion kilometers. Uranus. The seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus. The characteristic of Uranus is the only planet tilted on its side, rotate oppositely from the other planet, the coldest planet. The diameter of Uranus is 31,763 miles. The orbit is 84 Earth years. The day is 16.8 Earth hours. The moon is 27, and the distance from the Sun is over 2 billion kilometers. The eighth planet from the Sun is Neptune. The characteristic of Neptune is its strong winds, sometimes faster than the speed of sound. The dark spot. The diameter of Neptune is 74,900 miles. The orbit is 164.8 Earth years. The day is 16 Earth hours. The moon is 13 known and 1 more awaiting confirmation. The distance from the Sun is over 4 billion kilometers. Neptune's great dark spot. It is just like Jupiter's red spot, but instead of giant spinning storm, it is a great powerful spinning winds. How such powerful winds were discovered on a planet so far from the Sun is still considered a mystery to this day. Earth rotation. Earth rotation is the rotation of the planet Earth around its own axis. Earth revolution is the movement of Earth around the center of the Sun. The Moon. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. We only see one side of the Moon all the time. It takes it 27 days to fully orbit the Earth. Lunar eclipse. The Moon's effect on Earth height and low tide. Moon phase are different shapes of the Moon as viewed from the Earth. The shape changes over the course of 29 days. The phases are created by the changing position of Earth, Moon, and Sun. One half of the Moon is always illuminated by the Sun. There are 4 main phases: new moon, full moon, first quarter, third quarter. There are 4 other phases in between too. Comet is a ball of mostly ice that moves around in outer space. Comes from Kuiper belt. Asteroid is a small rocky body orbiting the Sun. Meteors, a small body of matter from outer space that enters the Earth's atmosphere. Black hole, region of space having a gravitational field so intense that no matter or radiation can escape. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and God bless you.